We study following topics in fifth lecture of chemical bonding molecular structure. The topics are property of covalent compounds, coordinate bond, electronic structure of cations, electronic structure of anions. First we go. First topic, property of covalent compounds. Clear? You know, covalent compounds are formed by sharing of electrons. So they are no any character. Clear? So first number point, that is the covalent compounds have clear molecules, and these are written by their molecular formula. Clear? While ionic compounds are represented by simple formula. In the case of ionic compound, no molecules are present. Clear? Molecules are present in covalent compounds. Next thing, जैसे कि मान लीजिए आपका H2 मॉलिक्यूल है, this is another molecule is this is. इनके बीच भी जो है आपके फोर्सेस होते हैं हमारे पास में, that is called weak van der Waals forces. So molecules in covalent compounds together associated by weak van der Waals forces. आयनिक कंपाउंड्स में आपने देखा था कि यहाँ पर आयनिक कंपाउंड्स में आयंस के बीच में स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स थे, बट दे आर वीक van der Waals forces are present. Next thing, due to these weak van der Waals forces, melting point and boiling points are low compared to the ionic compounds. In the case of ionic compounds, boiling point, melting point is very high, but in the case of covalent compounds, these are low. Next thing, covalent compounds have clear molecules. These are not dissociated in water. जैसे कि H2 को वाटर में डिसॉल्व करें, O2 को डिसॉल्व करें, आयनाइजेशन नहीं होता है. Clear? Well, ionic compounds are ionized in water. So they are covalent compounds are not ionized in water, but there are some exceptions are present. You know, covalent compounds are two types: polar and non-polar. Polar compounds have some ionic character. So polar covalent compounds are ionized in water, like this H2, N2, O2, not ionized. But like HCl, ammonia, ionized. Clear? HCl, when treated with water, it donates a proton to it, and it is ionized in this way. It gives chloride ion and hydronium ion. Generally, organic compounds are covalent compounds, and covalent compounds are dissolved into organic solvents like chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, CS2. These are organic solvents, but polar compounds are dissolved into water. Next thing, covalent bond is directional bond. Clear? So covalent compounds or molecules have definite geometry. For example, in the case of methane, there are 3 hydrogen atoms are arranged in this manner. This is tetrahedral structure. Clear? This is. Else, carbon atoms present in the mid position, and 1 hydrogen atom in this position, and 1 bond in this position. This is. It makes a tetrahedral structure. So, covalent compounds and molecules have a definite geometry. Next thing, covalent compounds show structural and stereoisomerism, which is not present in ionic compounds. Now we go next topic, coordinate bond. Coordinate bond, also called dative bond, also called semi-polar bond. Clear? Was described by Lowry and Sedgwick in 1923. What is coordinate bond? बता दूं आपको, coordinate bond is also a special type covalent bond where sharing of electron is unequal. Covalent compound आपको मालूम है equal sharing होती थी. One electron come from the both atom for sharing. But in the coordinate bond, electron pair for sharing comes from only one atom but shared between two atoms. कैसे आइए देखते हैं. Suppose there are A and B, two atoms are present. Atom A has 6 electrons in its valency shell. So its octet is completed already. So according to electronic theory octet rule, it's unable to form a covalent bond. But this has only 6 valence electrons. It requires 2 electrons. So it can share by its 2 electrons. But it does not share. In this case, octet is already completed. Then what happens? As A gives only electron pair but shared with also B in this way. This is the electron pair of A but shared by also B. Now in the case of B, also octet is completed. So it is a special type covalent bond where sharing is unequal. Unequal means electron pair comes from only one atom. This bond is represented by in this way. Take this bond shown by this arrow sign, in which head of arrow always towards atom which only shared but its electrons are not participated. It is called electron pair acceptor. An atom which gives electron pair for the sharing known as electron pair donor. This is so is called their electron pair donor. This is called electron pair acceptor. क्लियर? अब इस पर कुछ और भी वर्ड्स हैं, आइए देखते हैं. An interesting example. Suppose ammonia. In the ammonia, nitrogen has one electron lone pair. You know, in nitrogen, number of valence electrons is 5. 3 are shared and one lone pair is present. Taken boron trichloride. This is, you know, in the boron, atomic number is 5. That's 2, 3. Number of valence electrons is only 3, and 3 are shared. There becomes 6 electrons in the outermost orbit. Octet is not completed in the B, so it requires 1 electron. So when they both react, in this way, bond forms. electron pair of nitrogen shared with p1. So this is called electron pair donor, and it is called electron pair acceptor. How you define electron pair donor? Molecules are ions in which one electron lone pair is present on central atom is known as electron pair donor. It is also called Lewis base. It is also called nucleophile. Electron pair acceptor, how you define it? A molecular ion in which octet is not completed in central atom is known as electron pair acceptor. It is also called Lewis acid and also called electrophile. Electrophile means electron loving. It requires electron. Nucleophile means nucleus loving. यानी इनके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी ज्यादा है, इसको देख के एक बॉन्ड बना सकते हैं. Now we take some examples. Another examples. It is example of ozone. You know, in the case of oxygen, O2, two electrons shared in this way. An octet of each oxygen is completed. You show this bond, then this, in this way. O2, in the case of ozone, one oxygen is also present in this way. Now, interesting thing, it requires 2 electrons. So it can share by 2 electrons. But in this oxygen, octet is completed already in this way. So this oxygen is unable to further covalent bonding. In this case, this oxygen donate its electron pair and give bonding in this way. Hence, this oxygen atom, central atom, is electron pair donor, and this is electron pair acceptor. Head of arrow always should be towards electron pair acceptor and tail towards donor. Another example, carbon monoxide. Important example. Clear? In carbon monoxide, in this way, you know carbon has there 2-4 configuration. So it has 4 valence electrons. It has 6 valence electrons. It requires only 2 electrons. It shared by its 2 electrons in this way. Clear? Now, octet of this is completed, but octet of carbon is not completed. It requires 2 electrons. It is ready to for covalent bonding, but oxygen not. In this case, only one case is possible. It's shared by its electron pair. Hence, this bond is covalent. This is also covalent, but this is coordinate bond, in which carbon is electron pair acceptor and oxygen is electron pair donor. This is carbon monoxide. Here. Now, another example, nitric acid. In nitric acid, nitrogen has 5 valence electron. So it gives 3 covalent bonding in this way. oxygen gives only two covalent bonding in this. Now octet of this oxygen is completed. Octet of this oxygen is also completed. See, where this electron of hydrogen in this. Now there are three oxygen atoms. One oxygen atom is also present in this. Clear? It requires two electrons. But in the case of nitrogen, 4 to 6 to 8. Its octet is already completed. So what happens? It's shared by its two electrons only in this. And bonding in this way formed. This is coordinate bond. Now we go next topic. Structure of cations. You know how cation is formed? By loss of one or more electrons. You know, H loses one electron, so it forms cation. अब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्ट्रक्चर की बात करते हैं. इसे बात करें हम लोग अमोनियम आयन की. What will be structure of ammonium ion? We can say it contains ammonia and one hydrogen atom. You know ammonia structure is in this way. One electron shared with hydrogen atom. This is structure of ammonium. Clear? And this lone pair is present. Electron. अब H plus कैसे बनेगा हमारे पास में? You know, H loses one electron, then it forms. तो जो अब एक H आएगा, उसका इलेक्ट्रॉन बाहर निकल गया. ठीक? So, suppose this is H plus comes here. Then what happens? One positive charge produced. This hydrogen atom loses electron. So whole structure acquires one positive charge. Now this hydrogen atom is present as H plus. So it requires two electron for noble gas configuration. उसके पास कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन बचे ही नहीं है, तो दो चाहिए. और वो कहां से लेगा? इस नाइट्रोजन से. तो ये नाइट्रोजन क्या करेगा? अपने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर को ऐसे शेयर करा देगा. See here, this is covalent bonding and it is coordinate bonding in this way. And it requires one positive charge. Clear? In the same way, you can draw hydronium ion in which one is H2O and one is H present. ठीक, इसको ड्रॉ करेंगे आप. ये एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं, इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जांपल. What will be electronic structure of ammonium chloride? Ammonium chloride का बनेगा structure. You know, on ionization, it gives ammonium ion and chloride ion. Hence, ammonium ion is this structure, and chloride ion, you know, chlorine has configuration 2h7. Chloride ion means it gains one electron, so it becomes 288 in this. ठीक है? तो क्लोराइड आयन को क्या चाहिए? क्लोरीन को एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए. हमने बताया था अभी कुछ देर पहले कि H ने अपना एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर दिया और वो इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लोरीन ले लेता है. इस प्रकार these are valence electrons of chlorine. Clear? It gains one electron given by hydrogen, this hydrogen, in this way, and it bears negative charge. Now this is structure of ammonium chloride. In the same way, you draw ammonium bromide, ammonium iodide, phosphonium iodide, etc. Now we go structure of anions. Anions. How an anion is formed? It forms by gain of electrons. By gain of electrons. Suppose we take cyanide ion. Cyanide ion. As carbon and nitrogen is present. Carbon has valence electrons 4 and nitrogen has valence electrons. Clear? Now यहाँ देखेंगे and carbon has ये केवल 3 ही बॉन्ड बना सकता है, only 3 bonds because deficient by 3 electrons and thus octet of nitrogen is completed. In the case of carbon, valence electrons are 4, but after sharing the number of electrons 7, 1 electron is less than octet, so it gains 1 electron by a foreign body. Suppose this electron comes, this electron gained by this carbon, so whole molecule has negative charge and it becomes anion. You can show this bond in this way. This is cyanide. Clear? In the same way, you draw structure of carbonate ion, nitrate ion, nitrite ion, sulfate ion, etc. Okay? Today's topics are completed. Now wait for the next video for next lecture and enjoy this video.